What up, everybody? Fucking hell. God, that's a little too hype, right? All packed up for a 3-day extravaganza. Snowboard mania. Happy dude. Fuck, okay. What's up, everybody? Here we are again, fucking heading to Hoodoo for another shred sesh for today, tomorrow, and the next day. So let's see how burnt out we can get. We are here to celebrate birthdays and snowboarding. We got Bailey right here, and Elijah and Lauren behind us, and Jett and Alondra are gonna meet us from Portland. I think we're snowboarding tonight, and then we are going back to the cabin that we rented, and then fuck, bro, I feel so weird. All right, so we got a cat. Fuck, I can't do this. Bit soggy out, but we out here. Day 1, 3. Really? New features?
New features!
Woof!
I can't hit them.
Probably on the side.
You ready for this? First 3?
Oh, I think so. Just jokes. We'll see me today.
Yo! You good? Slam, buddy.
Not too bad.
Good.
Not too bad. Wasn't too brutal. Yeah.
Trying to make it easier for me. You know what it is? 5 for 1. West Coast, the best coast, blowing on that best smoke. Got my Vans on my ear is a pencil. Writing music so deep like a death note. Finna fuck the game with each and every last stroke. Riding jet skis, ain't riding on no speedboat. Fucking with Shotty, I know that she was a free coat. Smoking on gasoline, inhaling isn't lethal. Grinding for a minute, surpassing every peak though. Well done, just like I cook my meat, bro. Bro, money, more problems, but I really gotta eat though. Reppin' LA like the homie from Jalisco. Puro mi truckan, and I always going beast mode. Speeding down the street, we bumping on some Chito. About to get this shit popping like some fucking grease, oh. I'm about to do it big like I'm coming from the East Coast. And when I take my last breath, I'm trying to breathe smoke. Hey, murder she wrote, slide in her DM, pussy ain't no joke. Addicted like coke, ain't sniffing nigga licking. Switch it up with the shits, whipped cream on her tits. Drop down, give me 40 strokes, lips on my dick. 3, 2, 1, blast off, gargle on my kids. 9's a position, graduated sex tuition. Degree in thoughtology, bitch loves to fondle me.
Putting weed in a rap, I'ma feel it like a cheesesteak. And if they ain't talking money, then I tell them they some cheapskates. I be rolling on some cheap skates, and I'ma bust when the beat breaks. I eat a pussy in the ass like a cheesecake, and I don't pay for the coochie, I get free face. Mayweather with my money in my briefcase. Lil' bro got 5, but he beat case. You want beef? Then tell him how the meat tastes. Put 20 on some craps, that's just money that the street makes. You a fool, why you acting different? All this money in my cup got me acting different.
Been a beast, all my niggas from the east. Feeling blessed, now we smoking on the west. Good kush make you feel it in your chest like the bass when it hit, have you float to the scent. With my dogs, watch me draw, watch me sketch. Have a blown on a dick, clarinet, make a nigga so mad they wanna air out the set. Purge records, YNL, gon' leave these niggas pressed. No Bruce, bitch, this without warning. New heat, make them think global warming. Bruce, cushion up in the morning, stay up, yeah, niggas stay soaring. We gon' smoke, we gon' drink, we stay pouring. Good kush with my lungs, stay absorbing.
Oh yeah.
What's going on?
Woo! Woo!
Yeah. Oh, Daddy will too.
Sunday!
Cowboy hat. Sunday? Nice!
2 chairs are empty and there's no line.
Oh, it's like there's a blizzard.
It's my first day ever!
Treacherous journey. Unknown perils.
Unknown perils. Oh. Looks like we're all done for today on day 1 of 3. How are you feeling, buddy?
Well, it's been a successful day.
Excited to go to this cabin?
Oh yeah. Let's check it out.
Let's go, buddy. We are here. We made it. Look at us go, guys. Welcome home, homie.
Wow.
Damn. Oh shit.
Dude, they got the same build as grandparents right here.
It's all cozy in here. Hey, Jett's bed. Ooh, hell yeah, guys. Had to check out your bed beforehand, and it's not looking so great.
Feels like
It's fucking concrete. Got a box spring.
not a good build.
We'll put the family picture there for you, so.
It will be welcome.
Nothing.
Oh wow, that's the light.
Well, this is where you fucking hose them off, I guess. Shit. What the fuck kind of light is this,
That's
bro?
what
I've
I was
never
saying.
seen a light like
Oh,
this,
there's
bro.
another one right there.
And then it had the mirrors going on.
Damn. What the fuck?
What time is it? Either table, boat, fucking
Record player,
train set,
radio,
battery time, giant screen.
What? That baby is so cute.
We out here with the deers. Gonna make some musky meals. Wibbies. I just got the most the windows. He's windowed.
Well, it's dark out now, but
He's windowed up.
decent.
Let's switch into gear.
Alright, fine.
What's up, buddy?
What up, what up, what up?
How you doing?
Oh, you
It's
threw
pitch
me
black.
off. Oh, yeah. Yo, let's fucking go.
Hey, snowboard
We
weekend! Woo. Heard bro never taken a Jaeger bomb before.
I don't feel like that's gonna
So
hit
we have peppermint shot glasses here. Oh, take the plastic off the bottoms too.
I did. I made
sure.
sure. I made sure both were all good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
We're-
Good.
You're all good.
And then you drop that in there, and then you chug it. Well, you got to
whole
do it
fucking
quick.
thing?
Yeah, as quick as you can.
Oh,
yeah,
we need more Red Bull.
Throw it in there.
Yeah, fuck it. Just
Well,
send it.
yeah,
just send
send
it.
it.
Just send it.
Throw it back. Good old
It's not
sender.
that bad, hey?
Ain't that bad.
Not that bad, eh?
Ready for this? We got peppermint weird shit over here. Not doing well.
Fuck yeah. Whoa, that was actually really good.
That was actually
That
pretty
was-
good.
The peppermint kind of went. Yeah, the peppermint, you get that.
When we sip the drink, feel better from the day's running. Revived. Splendid.
That's the hat you wear when you discover a new butterfly.
Jett in his Fashion Nova fit. We out here, you know.
What up, homie?
Oh, where?
Jim Chan snowboard.
Oh, are you really cracking the Red Bull right before you go to sleep?
That's the best way to go to sleep.
Dude, what the fuck?
That's what we were in the shore.
Well, you drink Red Bulls before sleep. You wake up with really energized.
Well, I swear to God,
Preemptive strike.
we are waking up
Preemptive strike.
at 7 in the morning.
And this boy is hitting a Red Bull.
I'm good. 'Twas not a mouse. We are day 2, ready to shred. Fucking, what a night. They brought friends.
Whoa. Did you see that?
What a nice day to go snowboarding. Headed to Hoodoo. About to fucking shred it up. See if Elijah can't get those threes. And Jett can't get that 180 off the box.
Ooh, let's get it.
Let's see about that. Let's go. Hell yeah, guys.
Here.
You need a beer? Wow, that's crazy. Oh yeah.
baby girl, don't panic. I got a ship bigger than Titanic. If it's hot, you gotta fan it. And if it ain't fitting, you gotta butter it up. I'm looking for a bitch with a mother to fuck. I'm a lyrical soldier, just looking for composure. Surrounded by dozers, smoking never sober. Searching for closure, the beat just started. It ain't close to over. Ride around town in an all-white Rover. Life's a roller coaster, 9 up in my holster. Youngins never listen, I swear that we will smoke it. I've always had girls, the ones up on the poster. I used to love a bitch, so now I can't get any closer. If I'm coming through, I want that shit wholesale. Burt in the Benz, waiting at the hotel. 4th floor, weighing G's on a dope scale. In my head, I'm hoping that this flow well. On my way up, the package had no smell. We gon' see, floating with the boat sail. We high as fuck, tryna see who got the most air. And if it ain't about the music, then I don't care. Girl, say something. Girl, just say something.
No lame match, nigga deserve a fucking lap dance. Twerk on this dick, money poking out my pants. All up in my face, bitch, I know what strippers want. No need for me to stunt, OGs never front. Shake your ass, pay your rent, 6 to 8 months in advance. Show a nigga you can dance, perfect room is my section. Grinding on the tip, dick so fucking stiff. Turn around, ask a nigga, wanna thug your pussy drip. Rubber snatched off, reverse cowgirl, ass shaking, hoe hitting high notes, singing like Clay. Going crazy when the pussy pose say she's trying to catch a case of cats. Benjamin's up toss, a real boss, proceed with caution. Disrespect and tolerate. Stay hated from afar. We can go ahead and start. Your flow is not up to par. Just a bum at the now up in another nigga car. Truth hurts, crush your soul that's now scarred for life. Keep it moving, only room for the real ones. YNL purge records making moves and then some. Silent but deadly when provoked. It's a massacre, waste of time running through these damn amateurs. Keep it moving, only room for the real ones. YNL purge records making moves and then some. Silent but deadly when provoked. It's a massacre, waste of time running through these damn amateurs.
That's part of my job. How are you feeling, Jeff? Can you tell me what just happened?
I don't know. My shoulder hurts very bad though. So we will see how that goes.
We should probably keep it at the car. See if it looks like it's out of a socket.
Son of a bitch.
I think he slammed on the kinked rail, which has been super icy today, so hopefully he's okay.
Have fun, okay? You need me, you call me, I'll come get you.
Hey,
if you can't drive, I will come get you.
Thank you.
That's what you call a good friend right there.
Oh.
This skipped. Lunch skipped. We hungry. Fullness is, bro. This.
Yeah.
Fuck, man.
That's how we fucking do. That shit ain't nothing.
Now that we're back and you're not immediately flabbergasted by you breaking your shit off, how do you feel?
I feel so good. I'm like, I could get dancing. Oh no. I can't do any of my old dance moves. What will I do? Footwork from now on. Dude, this is the worst.
Fuck, man.
Jaeger bombs.
Jaeger bombs.
Jaeger bombs.
Jaeger
Let's
bombs. Burgers.
No big deal. Fashion statement.
It matches your shirt.
There we go. This is really just a brick of cocaine.
It looks like you're like trying to talk on the phone with your but without holding your without using your hand. That's a good one.
Like, are you a doctor? Sick, but it's just like no. I'm not a doctor.
A non-doctor tried to assess you and force you to bend your broken collarbone, right?
They tried to give me a physical, and I said no way. Get away from me.
Oh yeah. Can we get a little update on that collarbone?
I'm feeling great.
Yeah, you feeling great?
Couple Jaeger bombs later, I think it's healed.
I think it's healed.
It's
never been
fuck. It's just breathing more.
Yeah, yes. It's very healthy.
Good job sticking it out, though. I mean, you got down to the bottom of the mountain and refused medical treatment, so that's good.
No ambulance. You ain't taking my money.
We're in the cold tub right now. It's
still cold.
It's pretty cold right now.
It's so cold.
Elijah, what do you think, man?
I'm trying to turn it up, bud.
It's warm now, eh?
Yeah, it's very warm.
Warm now.
Not good.
Not good?
Arm hurts.
Do you sleep okay? Yeah. See, when the broken collarbone's a little rough. Shit.
I like this video. No.
You took some ibuprofen this morning?
See, I just took 3.
Confirmed insurance?
Yes, Percocet. money per cassette. Yeah, let's go.
I think he's gonna go search some medical attention now that he's confirmed insurance and it's not gonna totally fuck him. Until next time, man. Sorry about that. Peace out, Audra.
Later, Bailey.
Yeah.
We'll see you at Hoodoo.
Yep. See you there. Hey, day 3.
Monday. First run.
I don't think we're gonna kick it very long, but we'll hit some good runs.
I'm heading out, you can call me outlandish. One hand on the wheel, baby, don't panic. I'm about to hit 120 and this just the average. My vision's hella blurry, something like I'm seeing static. And you know you can't see me cause I'm zooming past you. God bless you, fucking nail, I cannot lose. If I gotta take it else, like I got you. Never that. Godson, I'm about to raise hell on them. Gotta do this for my family, I can't fail on them. Tripped up a couple times, but I never failed. Used to think about the past, used to fucking dwell. Now I'm thinking about the future, thinking about themselves. If you thinking you can do it, who's the one to tell? I'ma do it to the fullest, that's just what I do. I'ma kill every beat if you get the clue. I ain't in no quarantine, I'm making money moves.
How was this trip, man?
It was very nice. Very nice. The cabin was amazing. Very satisfied.
That's good, man.
Got my money's worth, I'll tell you what.
Yeah. Can't wait to do it again.
Oh yeah, next year.
All right.
We'll be back.
Hell yeah, man. Woo. Birthday trip 2021. 2, 3, 4. In this bitch.
Ooh, that's good, boy.
We'll update.
I'm feeling great. It's been 2 weeks and I'm already shredding. I just went yesterday. It was sick. I hit 360s and everything. So tune in next year when I'll actually do that and it'll be amazing.